Peer Education Project is the Mental Health Foundation's secondary school mental health educational programme. It is based on older pupils within the school delivering 5 key mental health lessons to younger pupils. The project aims to give young people the skills that they need to look after their mental health now and in the future. In practice, this means understanding what is mental health, but also those risk and protective factors and how they can put things in place to make sure that they can look after their mental health and well-being the best way they can.
Our sixth formers gain an awful lot from the project. Some of the things that they gain is knowledge about mental health. They also gain the skills to be able to go in and talk to youngsters and talk to younger people. Some of them gain time management skills. They get pushed out of their comfort zone.
I chose to become a peer educator because I wanted to share my experience with younger years that I would have loved to have when I was younger.
I think it's really beneficial for the Year 7s who get taught and learn something new about themselves, and I think it's also really important to learn how to manage a group as Year 12s.
I think there's definitely a difference between learning about mental health and also like the difference between teaching it, because obviously with teaching you actually have to go so much more in depth.
I had a moment after the lesson where another student came up to me and said, "Oh, just so you know, like I said that if I ever wanted to talk to anyone, I would come and talk to you." And that really touched me. And you know, when I was growing up, I was quite shy. I never would have approached an older student like that. And that's something that's going to stay with me for a really long time.
If I was speaking to another school, I would say go for it. Definitely sign up with the Peer Education Project. You have a computer program where everything is there 24 hours a day. You have really supportive people that work in the office that are willing to go the extra mile to help you. You know, if you're worried about anything or you have any questions, it's all there at your fingertips.